Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. I wanted to give you an update, show you where I'm at with the crew cab. I got the body off, I got the harness out, got a lot of stuff taken off, capped the fuel lines, the wiring's pulled out. I still got to pull this brake line down, and I think we're doing the frame cut right about down here somewhere and stretching the frame. Got the drive shaft out, fuel tank, fuel lines, the main transmission wiring harness, the rear tail light harness all out. I still got to cut this fifth wheel bracket out, but got a few more things to pull, the shocks and some odds and ends. But we're not going to use the crew cab frame, but we are going to cut up the frame unless somebody posts down below or makes a comment that they're interested in buying this crew cab frame. It's an 84 1-ton D350 1-ton frame, but the 84s are 7.5 inches, the diesels are 8 inches. A lot of you guys already know this, but I've decided I'm going to cut and stretch this frame and use it. But getting stuff set up to do the working on a video for the cab on how I cut the roof panels out, and I'm working on that. I got a new tool to show you guys that I think a lot of you guys are really going to like. It's another project I'm working on, mystery muscle car. But and then we'll get started on the cab. I still have a little more to take off of the motor and stuff, getting the frame ready, but just wanted to give you guys an update, let you know I didn't fall off the planet. I got my Chevy Silverado moved in the back from off the side of the yard. There's the extra cabs, the beds, a couple of project cars, a Toyota Corolla and a Nissan Maxima. I'm getting ready to move that building, putting in an above ground pool there. So I've been doing quite a bit of stuff. There's part of my carport. I don't know if you can see it, but just a quick update on the crew cab, and I should be posting a video on the cab sometime later this week. Alright guys, thanks for tuning into my channel, and I want to thank you. Leave me some comments, hit the subscribe, and I'll give you another update shortly. Thanks, see ya.